my name is Jane. Welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, I have another special unboxing for you, and I'm gonna jump right in because I'll be sharing not one, not two, definitely not three, but four. Here you go. 2021 Gongcha diary set. And you might be wondering, how did Jane get all these four or a lot of these Gongcha diary set? Well, if you're thinking she probably drank a lot of Gongcha, well, you are partly right. But you know, the very first thing that I did to get these is first I downloaded the Gongcha membership application on my phone. So each time I got a Gongcha drink, I just used my membership barcode to get a stamp. Early November, Gongcha had this promotion that if you bought some special drinks, you can get or collect some stamps, and then when you gather 10, you can exchange that stamp or stamp card for one diary set. Gongcha had this very special promotion of double stamp, which means each time that you bought a Gongcha drink, you got a double stamp. So you could get a double stamp for the diary set, and then you could also get a double stamp for the free drink. And I think that lasted for almost 2 weeks or at least a week. However, that was over because I think that promotion ended on December 12th. Right before it ended, I was able to get 2 more diaries. Yay! So in today's video, I will be unboxing these two, and I'm gonna show you what is inside. 2 are in mint color, the other 2 are in beige. It comes in a really nice mint color. I think the color is perfect with my nail polish today. If you look at the side here, you can see the year 2021. But other than that, it has a very nice and simple design. And then there's a Gongcha also right here written at the back. Inside, there's also the 2021 and the 2022 calendar. So there's actually still a December calendar over here, or planner. And here's the start of January. So it also has very simple pages. So the rest of the pages are the same. That is 1 whole year. There are also a few quarterly or I think seasonal drawings here, which are pretty cute. Okay, this is the other one. I think this is for the summertime and probably for the fall and the winter. And there are also notes at the back in case you need to write down some notes. Oh, nice! These coupons are valid from April 1st, 2021 up to October 31st, 2021. In addition, this comes with some stickers about daily activities. Okay. Yeah, these are stickers, so pretty fun stickers, and also some drinks stickers here. Yeah, there you go. I am just gonna put the stickers here with the coupon. Okay, so what's really fun and interesting about this set is that it comes with this memo, a mini notepad or a memo. This one's pretty cute as well. And it also has masking tape. Masking tapes with special messages, which looks like this. For example, the first one here says, 수고했어 오늘도, okay, or 내일은 또 좋을 거야, 고맙고 사랑해. It's really nice. Oh my. I think this is very exciting to use. And then it comes with this pretty stamp. 참 잘했어요. 오늘도 참 잘했어요. So out of curiosity, I also opened the beige one, and basically what's inside is the same. They have the same pages, same color as well of the pages, but the only difference is, of course, this one is beige. The cover is beige. And if you're the classic type, or I think for most guys, if you're a guy and if you're using this, I think the beige might be a good choice for you. Personally, me, I'm leaning towards the mint one. So I think the mint color looks pretty nice. That's the main difference between the two, just the color. As for the memo also has two different colors. So this one is beige, this one's also mint. But as for the stickers are basically the same, and also the stamp. Okay, so if you are in Korea and you are also a Gongcha lover, I really suggest that you download that Gongcha membership application already. So easy, just type Gongcha on the Play Store and then start collecting your coupons every time you go to Gongcha, because at the end of the year, or at least after getting or collecting 10 stamps, you can get one free drink with that. And usually by the end of the year, or I think sometimes every now and then, they also have special events or promotions in there that you can take part in. And if you're lucky, you can actually get some, special prizes every now and then. So I really suggest that first you download that membership application. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!